In this tutorial, we will explore the workspace, where you can view, create, and manage your records in Iris. To access it, click on My Workspace at the top right of the page. You can also access it from the Login menu. The workspace is organized as follows. Here, you can enter, import, export, view, and edit records. The workspace is divided into 3 sections. First, Records I Created. This view contains only the records you have entered yourself. You will find records at all stages: draft, submission in progress, formerly draft in Serval, and archived, formerly public in Serval. These records can be edited, completed, or tracked. Second, Other Linked Records. This view shows only the records currently in submission to which you are linked, but which you did not create yourself. Records that are already archived do not appear here. And finally, Records to Validate. If you are a validator, this section lists the records pending review. Here, you can claim, edit, approve, or reject them, for example. Finally, if you want to display all archived records to which you are linked, you need to access your researcher profile.